So we can create descriptions for subpalettes on the controls and functions palettes to describe the purpose and contents of the subpalettes and to give users instructions for which items to select. The subpalette descriptions The subpalette description appears in the context help window when you move the cursor over the subpalette icon in the control and functions palette. The description also appears in the context help window when you move the cursor over an open area of the subpalette. So in this video we will learn the steps that we need to undertake to create and edit descriptions of a subpalette. So let's go to the tools palette, then advanced, and then edit palette set. The edit controls and functions palette set dialog box appears. Then let's choose the palette that we want to add description to. Let's go to the user libraries, and there we have a folder, a subpalette folder, which does not have a description. So let's right click it and then select edit palette documentation. The palette documentation dialog appears. We can add a palette description here. Also, if you have a help file already created, then you can press this browse button and use this dialog box to add help files, which could be in the form of HLP, CHM, compiled HTML files, HTML, and even PDF files. For the time, we will just cancel it. After adding your description, click OK. We are back into the edit controls and functions palette set. Press save changes. Then the preview palette changes dialog box appears. Press continue. And we are back into the LabVIEW VI. Let's check our description. Let's go to the palette where we added the description, which was user libraries, and then over this and as we can see, our description is now visible in the context help. So this is how you can add descriptions to your user added palettes. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for coming, and please do keep coming. Your visit is highly desirable. Thanks.